Hi. We had a rainy fall morning the other day, and I wanted to make some pumpkin puree. I decided I'd show you all how to make some. Begin with cleaning out 2 pie pumpkins. Then cut the pumpkins into pieces. Place your pumpkin pieces into a slow cooker set on low for 4 to 6 hours. I like to give the scraps to our chickens or put them in our compost. After the 4 to 6 hours, scrape the pumpkin away from the skin. Then blend your pumpkin and place in a storage container. You can freeze, refrigerate, or use your puree right away. I decided to bake pumpkin bars. I added chocolate chips because why not? What do you like to bake with your pumpkin puree? If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.